Hi, I'm Louise from the Sleep Store. We're New Zealand's experts in safe sleep, and we have everything you need to make up your baby's bassinet safely. Today I'm going to show you a couple of different options for making up a safe sleep space for newborns. These instructions are relevant to this size of bassinet, which you would be using for the first 4 to 5 months with your baby up until they start to sit up or get up on their hands and knees ready to start crawling. Then it's time to move to the cot. So this is a versatile bassinet. It's a safe sleep space because it's mesh breathable sides, and it meets the very strict American safety standard for bedside bassinets. Make sure you use the mattress that it's designed to be used with, so that it fits firmly around the side and there's no gaps that your baby could get squished in. The first layer that I would put on a bassinet would be a wool under blanket or topper. So it's very thin, the wool helps with temperature regulation, and it will help keep your baby, warm in winter. But it's important with newborns that the sleep space and the surface is firm and flat. So we don't use anything like a puffy sheepskin with newborns. The next layer we will put on is a waterproof mattress protector. This one you can actually use as a sheet as well because it's soft cotton on the top. Newborn babies can be very spilly. They can spill from the top or the bottom, leaky nappies, dribbles, particularly if you're putting baby into bed after you've fed them. Some sort of waterproof layer will help protect your mattress. Finish off a nice fitted sheet. These ones are organic cotton, which is always nice for baby to sleep on. Next, take your baby. This baby's wrapped in a miracle blanket. Now, this is a very safe sleep space, just like this. So your firm flat surface and then a well-fitting swaddle. So a lot of people would just choose to have this. So nothing loose in the cot, no extra bedding. However, lots of us would like to tuck the baby in and make them feel a little bit more snug and secure. It's a natural instinct. It's also what we're sort of expecting to do, to tuck baby into bed. So if you do want to add another layer, make sure your baby's feet are at the bottom of their bed. So feet to the bottom of the bassinet. So once you add a blanket or a top sheet, it's much safer than having baby being able to wriggle down under the bedding. This is a light merino swaddle blanket, so you can wrap your baby in this if it's cold, but it's really versatile as a blanket. So I would use it doubled over. It's nice and stretchy, so you can get it tucked in very firmly, stretched over your baby, and help with that nice cocooned, womb-like snug feeling. So if you do choose to add a top layer over the swaddle, or baby just in their nightie or whatever they're wearing, there's a few things to remember. One, it must be a natural fibre, so a 100% cotton, a bamboo fibre or merino. Please don't add fleece blankets or anything synthetic. The second would be use light layers rather than anything heavy, so nothing like a quilt or bulky heavy blankets. You just want a light, soft, stretchy layer that's really working the same as a top sheet, but just adding a little bit of warmth. And then the third thing is, when you're using a top layer, you shouldn't be going any higher than chest height or sort of armpit. There's the baby's armpit. That's the sort of height that you want to go. So the baby's feet are at the bottom and the baby can't wriggle down under the bedding. And another option for your baby is to just use a sleeping bag. This would be relevant if you've decided not to swaddle, or if your baby's wriggly and you're worried about them getting down under the bedding. So a sleeping bag you use instead of any bedding. This is a little mini wool babe, suitable from newborn to about 9 months. If you're using a sleeping bag, you don't need to worry about where you place your baby. You don't need to have their feet at the foot of the bassinet because there's nothing that they can get down underneath. So this is all the bedding baby needs, and just choose the right weight and the right size, and that's it. This is the super safest option for your newborn to sleep in. So if you need any more information, you can visit us on the sleep articles section of our website. We've got more than 100 articles on all aspects of infant sleep, and you can also join us on our newborn sleep support group. Thanks for watching.